What's up guys, you're watching the Stitch Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-106449-4 and error occurred connecting to the server. So it's a kind of server error. So simply I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. It's going to tell you how to fix this, and here is the settings. Just tap on the settings here. Then go to the user and accounts and check your PSN account is signed in or not, and then go to the login settings, and here you just check your login PS5 is automatically or not. You just check it, and here the view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, so you are working on the updates. That's why you're getting this error. And if the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. If the server is not working, so you just wait, do nothing. And here's the server is working up and good. Then you go back, check your own internet connection or contact with the internet provider, and you set your own connection. Or there is DNS settings, MTU settings, just check it, and a wired LAN 1. I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN 1 and you will get the better speed on it. You set the settings also here, MTU settings and a DNS settings. So simply that's how you can fix this network error or a server error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.